ways to heal cracked heels and feet. Yes, it's summertime and everyone's wearing sandals and their feet are getting pretty crusty. I know, but you can take care of this. The number one way, and this recipe is on our website and in our Dining on a Dime cookbook. Yes, in our Dining on a Dime cookbook, we have how to heal cracked heels and feet as part of our bath and beauty chapter. The number one way is salicylic acid and a heavy cream like Gold Bonds. The recipe for this is in the description below. You have to make sure that your lotion that you're using or your cream that you're using has these ingredients. It needs to be Vaseline based and ceramide, I think is how you pronounce it, I'm not sure. Glycerin. These are a few of the different lotions that contain that. But what you want to do is you want to look at the ingredients specifically and make sure one of those things or all of them are in your lotion or cream that you're putting on your foot. If you guys love our videos, would you please give us a thumbs up right underneath this video and subscribe? Really helps us out by letting YouTube know you like our videos and then they share it to more people. The best way to take care of this is you're gonna soak your feet in warm water with Epsom salts for 10 to 20 minutes at least once a week, okay? Now you can use a pumice if you want to get off the heavier, thicker skin if you want, but if you take a salicylic acid pad, which is just acne pads, that is the active ingredient that helps keep acne under control because all it is exfoliating your skin. So if you use one of those acne pads or just a toner that has salicylic acid in it, rub it on your feet in the morning and night, and also at the same time put on your cream or your lotion. You need to do this 2 times a day. And I know that seems like a lot, but you only have to soak your feet once a month. So this is literally a 2-minute process. This does not take very long at all. Now, if you have really bad cracks and they're bleeding and hurting, you can put something like a liquid bandage on there. That helps heal it up while you're getting that hard skin exfoliated. Then you can cover those cracks with liquid Band-Aid and that will help seal that up so it doesn't get infected. Also, the Epsom salts help it not get infected. And if you want to soak with Epsom salts every day and you have cracked open wounds like that, that will help keep the infection under control. Salt is a really old remedy for taking care of infections in wounds. So you can soak every day with Epsom salts if you want. The next thing that you can use is alpha hydroxy acid. If you can't find the salicylic acid, both of those will help you get that dead hard skin off. So exfoliate with salicylic acid or alpha hydroxy acid, and then moisturize. And at night, for sure, after you moisturize, put on a pair of socks. I know it's summer, but most of you are sleeping with the air conditioner on, so put on a pair of socks. If you can't put on a pair of socks, at least wrap your foot in gauze. Another trick that people have done is that they've slathered their feet with Vaseline, and then you can wrap your feet in gauze and take that off if you don't want a thick, heavy sock. But I mean, you can just slather Vaseline on your feet and then wrap your foot with gauze. And that is how you heal your cracked feet. Please go watch this video next and visit us at livingonadime.com.